part of what I wanted to talk about was just our history working with Sodick. I met Kohei quite some time ago and have had a very, very good relationship with him. I consider him a very good friend and really have worked hard together. And I think that's a piece of what makes business successful and it makes business fun, is by building those relationships and seeing what we can do to help each other. In many circumstances, we find there's a supplier-customer relationship, but I think we've been able to break out past that and just be good friends and see what we can do to help each other out. There's been many things that Sodick has done to help Teamvantage advance our game and become a stronger supplier. There's been a lot of things that we've done to help Sodick Plus-Tech from their early years. So the first Sodick Plus-Tech machine that we bought was a 2002 TR20EH. It had been sent out to a potential customer for a trial. They ran the machine for a year to prove that it could do what Kohei was trying to tell them it could do. And when they decided that they were going to buy 12 identical presses, they wanted them to have sequential serial numbers. So they gave that trial machine back to Sodick. And because it had depreciated some, in those days it was at a price that we felt like we could take a risk. So we bought the machine in 2004 and brought it in and put it on our floor and put it to work. The experience we had with that machine, we were very impressed with it. We had been impressed looking at them before, but having the machine here and living with it really made us happy with the things we saw, and we've now got 31 machines, as I mentioned earlier. So we've got a LP20EH2 with a 0.15 ounce shot size, and we also have a TR650EH2 with a 67 ounce shot size. So we've got quite a range of machines. 2 of the machines that we have are verticals and 3 of the machines are LSR machines. So we've got quite a range there, and obviously we've been very much happy with the equipment and continue to invest in that equipment. With them making up 50% of the presses we own, the things that we like about them is that I think the machines are built very well. They're very robust. If you take a look at in the guts what builds that machine, it's all good quality components and parts, very well built. We find that the shot size consistency, the pressure and speed that's available make a huge difference. We like to take on challenging parts, some of the higher temperature materials, thin wall sections, extremely small parts, those types of things. And the Sodicks we look at as a real advantage in producing those types of challenging parts.